Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at Fosi Audio's first fully balanced desktop DAC, the ZD3. Following the ZA3 and V3 mono amplifiers, there has been a strong demand for a compatible DAC and preamp that aligns with these models. We've listened to your feedback and transformed many suggestions into reality. Let's dive into the ZD3 together. The ZD3's chassis is crafted from solid aluminum and sports a classic black finish. Constructed using CNC integrated molding technology, the surface is anodized and finely sandblasted, not only ensuring durability but also presenting a modern and refined appearance. In terms of design, the ZD3 inherits the design language of the ZA3 amplifier, featuring geometric shapes such as circles and ovals, accented with Fosi's signature orange. The special bevel design of the front panel adds an elegant touch. The main knob adjusts the volume and integrates power on with a short press, input mode switching with a click, and power off with a long press. Additionally, the front panel is equipped with a 1.5-inch high-contrast OLED display that clearly shows the current volume, input mode, sampling rate, and audio format. The display can be turned off when not needed. The ZD3 offers a variety of input options including Bluetooth, optical, USB, HDMI-A/RC, and coaxial, facilitating easy connections to various audio devices without frequent cable swapping. Simply switch to the desired mode when needed. For outputs, it features versatile RCA and professional XLR balanced ports, making it compatible with a wide range of home audio systems. Furthermore, the ZD3 includes trigger input and output functionality, allowing synchronized power on and off with upstream and downstream devices, enhancing the user experience. The bypass mode can be activated via a switch on the bottom of the unit, rendering the volume control inactive and fixing the output level for pure digital-to-analog use. The ZD3 also comes with an infrared remote control, supporting power on and off, mute and unmute, pause and play, volume adjustment, track selection, input mode selection, and display on and off, making operations more convenient and intuitive. Overall, the ZD3 DAC boasts superior design, powerful features, and user-friendly functionality, meeting the needs of most home audio setups. Next, we'll delve into the premium components and design highlights within the ZD3. The ZD3 is equipped with superb digital processing and audio decoding technologies. It starts with the XMOS-XU316 digital chip, renowned for its stable and efficient data handling capabilities. The DAC chip used is the ES-SES9039Q2M, a high-performance chip well known in the market for its exceptionally low distortion and wide dynamic range. For wireless audio transmission, the ZD3 employs the Qualcomm QCC3031 Bluetooth chip, supporting the latest Bluetooth technology to ensure seamless, high-quality audio streaming. Finally, the audio signal is handled by the LME49720 op-amps to ensure the output sound quality is both pure and accurate. Additionally, the ZD3 utilizes a fully balanced circuit design, which effectively reduces internal noise and crosstalk, thereby ensuring that the audio output is purer. This meticulously designed circuit architecture ensures that even in complex audio processing, the sound quality remains high and clear. With these advanced internal constructions and precision circuit designs, the ZD3 is able to provide an exceptional sound quality experience, meeting the needs of the most discerning listeners. Now, let's delve into the key technical specifications of the ZD3, which are of particular interest to audiophiles. The ZD3 offers extensive audio format support, USB up to PCM 32-bit 768 kHz and DSD 512, while optical, coaxial, and HDMI all support up to 24-bit 192 kHz, and Bluetooth provides 24-bit 48 kHz. The XLR balanced output level is 5 volts root mean square, and RCA output level is 2.5 volts root mean square. The device boasts a signal-to-noise ratio and dynamic range of 126 decibels, with an ultra-low distortion rate of 0.00008%, ensuring that the audio output is exceptionally clear and pure. It supports multiple Bluetooth codecs, including SBC, AAC, aptX, and aptX HD, to meet various wireless needs. Clearly, the ZD3 combines high performance and versatility, making it the ideal choice for those seeking a high-quality audio experience. Next, we will move on to the demonstrations of the ZD3. First is a desktop audio listening setup. Connect the ZD3 to the ZA3 using XLR cables. Then use speaker cables to link the ZA3 with passive speakers. Next, connect a dual 3.5mm cable from the ZD3's trigger output to the ZA3's trigger input to synchronize power on and off between the two devices. We are using a Mac Mini as the audio source, connecting it to the ZD3 via a USB cable. Finally, power up the devices, turn on the switches, and activate the bypass mode on the ZD3. In this setup, the ZD3 acts solely as a DAC, and volume adjustments need to be made via the ZA3. Next up is a near-field listening system. Connect the ZD3 DAC to the ZA3 amplifier using XLR cables. And then connect passive speakers to the ZA3 using speaker cables. Power up both the ZD3 and ZA3, turn on the switches, and set the volume to the lowest level. Switch to Bluetooth input mode using the remote control or by clicking the front panel knob on the ZD3 and pair it with your smartphone. Now we're ready to play music. We recommend setting the volume to the maximum level on one device and then adjusting the overall volume on the other. Next, we're setting up a mini home theater. The ZD3 supports ARC functionality. Use an HDMI cable to connect your TV's ARC output to the ZD3. Then connect the ZD3 to two V3 monos using XLR cables, and link the V3 monos to passive speakers using speaker cables. Power up the ZD3 and the two V3 monos. Turn them on, and switch the ZD3 to HDMI input mode. Our system is now all set up. Let's start a movie and see how it performs. As a versatile and high-performance DAC, the ZD3 effortlessly adapts to nearly any home audio setting, from living rooms and studies to offices, ensuring an exceptional audio experience whether you're listening to music or watching movies. Lastly, we'll explore the rolling op-amp design of the ZD3, a feature many audiophiles relish. By swapping out different op-amp chips, you can achieve various sound signatures, adding to the versatility of the ZD3. If you have preferred op-amps, you can follow these steps to replace them. Before starting, please prepare your disassembly tools. We'll demonstrate using a pair of needle nose pliers, tweezers, and an H2.0 hex screwdriver. First, use the hex screwdriver to remove the 2 screws on either side of the rear panel. Then, pull off the front panel knob and use the needle nose pliers to remove the nut and washer from the pot. And slide out the front panel. Next, you'll see a set of components at the circuit board notch connected to the bypass mode switch at the bottom. Disconnect them to avoid damaging this function. Gently extract the main board, and you'll find 3 interchangeable op-amp chips here. If you're using RCA output, replace this op-amp. For XLR balanced output, replace these 2 op-amps corresponding to the left and right channels. Use tweezers to pry them out gently from the side pin gap. Next, install the replacement op-amp chips into the sockets. When installing, pay close attention to the orientation indicated by a dot, half circle, or the number 1 on the chip cover, and the half circle mark on the PCB board. It's crucial to install the chips in the correct direction to avoid damaging them. Please refer to this diagram for guidance. Here, we've installed JRC4580D dual discrete op-amps. After securely installing the new op-amps, first connect the amplifier, power, and speakers to test if the sound is normal. If everything checks out, reassemble the casing. This completes the op-amp replacement process, which is quite straightforward. The ZD3 supports many well-known 8-pin dual discrete op-amps. We've made a dedicated video about the characteristics of different op-amps and their sonic contributions in practical use. We hope you find your preferred pairing. Finally, we've compiled a list of op-amps compatible with the ZD3 for your reference. Today, we've showcased the diverse features and robust performance of the ZD3 fully balanced desktop DAC. Thank you for watching, and we hope the ZD3 becomes a valuable addition to your high-quality music enjoyment. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.